The Adventures of V-Man, sponsored by Dherbs.com.
What's up, you guys? It's Vinnie with The Adventures of V-Man. Today we are on the slopes. It's one of my favorite activities to do. It is snowboarding. As you can see, we have a beautiful day on Mount Baldy. The sun is shining, the sky is blue. I feel good, I'm excited, I'm hydrated, I'm ready for the snow. Let's go. All right, so what better winter activity to do than go snowboarding? It's incredibly COVID safe. It's a great one-day excursion if you live in Los Angeles. It is not very far, it's an hour there and back. It's a perfect getaway. The air is fresher up there. Oh my God, it's so nice to get out of the smog. It's a different world. You just feel better. You boost your mood. You're in nature, which is naturally relaxing. So, first of all, snowboarding is an incredible lower body workout because you have to bend your knees, you have to engage your core, you have to keep your balance, which brings me to my next point, flexibility and core strength. So you're putting your body in different positions that are a little bit unfamiliar to you. You're not gonna do those same positions at a job working at your computer. In that aspect, you're in a different world. You are just exposing yourself to new movements, and that's only gonna benefit your body. Your head always has to be on a swivel. So your focus is incredibly intense in the moments when you're riding down the hill. You have to be aware of surroundings. You're just aware, you're more in tune with everything. And I think that is one of the coolest aspects of snowboarding. You know, lastly, it's also a great cardiovascular exercise. So you're burning calories the entire time you're going down the slopes. You don't have to be the crazy trickster that's shooting 20 feet out of a half pipe. You could simply just be cruising down the mountain at a slow speed. You could be zigzagging back and forth. Anyone can get on a snowboard and experience these benefits. It is a learning curve, I'm not gonna lie to you. It takes some time. But once you're able to get over the first beginning hill and you're able to start cruising down the mountain, you're comfortable with yourself, you could start experiencing all the benefits that I talked about. So get out in the mountains, hit the slopes. I encourage everyone to do it. Hey guys, thanks again for watching another Adventures of V-Man. I know this episode was a little bit different from what we normally do. Don't worry, we're still gonna do those kinds of videos that we've been doing. I appreciate all the views, the likes, the subscribes. Thank you again so much. I will see you next time.